Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be recording a different video. I'm going to be asking ChatGPT some questions. So here I have ChatGPT here. I'm going to bring it up on the screen in a minute. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT a few questions about gold, silver, platinum, rhodium and palladium. So let's start with gold. So is gold a good investment? Let's start with that. So one is a hedge against inflation. Gold is often considered a hedge against inflation. Yeah, it's diversification. It's good for diversification. It's a good store of value. Yeah, that's right. It's got limited supply. True. It's got the volatility and liquidity. Gold prices can be very volatile in the short term. While it can offer liquidity when sold, buying and selling physical gold may involve additional costs like storage, insurance, and transportation. Opportunity cost. Gold doesn't generate any income or dividends, therefore it may not provide the same potential for long-term growth as investments like stocks or real estate. The opportunity cost of holding gold is the potential gains from other investments. So what they're trying to say is that other investments yield better returns than gold. But I think that I don't really think gold is an investment, because I think that it is an investment, obviously, but I think that it's more of a store of value more than a investment, because it hasn't got a cash flow. It doesn't provide you monthly cash flow on a regular basis like dividends or owning property or owning anything else that gives you cash flow. Because it doesn't give you cash flow, I wouldn't say that it's an actual investment that provides cash flow. I would say it's more of a store of value. So that's one of the main reasons why it says that the opportunity cost is that gold doesn't generate any income. So I got another question to ask. So what are the industrial uses of gold? What industries use gold? So it's got electronics, dentistry, aerospace, medicine, the automotive industry, jewelry. These are just a few examples. So there's many more than this, but this is just a few examples. So for electronics, gold is an excellent conductor of electricity, making it valuable in the electronics industry. It is used in the manufacturing of connectors, switches, and relay contacts in electronic devices like smartphones, tablets, computers, televisions, and GPS units. Its corrosion resistance ensures reliable performance over time. So it's in some smartphones. So I'm going to ask, what smartphones contain gold? I want to see my phone. I've got a Samsung, so let's see. So let's see if it will give me the right. So electrical contacts. Gold is often used in the electrical contacts of a smartphone, connectors and switches. These contacts require excellent conductivity and resistance to corrosion, making gold an ideal choice. So it's used in printed circuit boards. It's used in display connectors. So gold is used in the connectors that link the smartphone's display to the internal circuitry. These connectors require high conductivity and durability, making gold an appropriate choice. So they're also used in memory modules. Some memory modules in smartphones, such as RAM, may contain gold-plated contacts. These contacts provide reliable and efficient data transfer. Camera components. So gold can be found in the connectors and electrical contacts of smartphone cameras. It ensures good signal transmission and maintains image quality. So it seems like smartphones require gold a lot. So that's one of the main industries that will demand gold, because smartphones are one of the biggest industries in the world. I mean, Apple, I think Apple is $1 trillion company, and Samsung is also a big company too, and many other smartphone companies are also big. But that's not the only industry. There's other industries. There's aerospace and aviation. So gold's highly reflective and resistant to corrosion makes it suitable for use in aerospace and aviation applications. It is used in spacecraft components, satellites, and heat shielding materials. Gold-coated film is also used in the visors of astronauts' helmets to protect their eyes from harmful solar radiation. So it's used for space, basically. It's also used in medicine. Gold nanoparticles have emerged as a significant area of research in medicine. They have potential applications in diagnostics, imaging, drug delivery systems, and cancer treatment. So it's useful in cancer treatments. Additionally, gold is used in some medical implants due to its inertness and biocompatibility. Obviously it's used in jewelry. That's common sense. But automotive industry. Gold is used in the automotive applications partly for electrical contacts and connectors. So it's a good conductor of electricity. But that's just gold. Let's look at other. Let's see what are is rhodium, platinum, and palladium good investments. So let's move on to other metals now. Let's see what it says about. So rhodium is a rare and highly reflective metal that is primarily used in catalytic converters for automobiles. It has experienced significant price volatility in recent years. While it had a substantial price increase between 2018 and 2020, it's important to note that historical performance is not an indication of future results. Due to its volatility and a relatively small market size, rhodium is considered a high-risk investment. Yeah, so it's probably good to stay away from that one. So platinum is a dense and corrosion-resistant metal. It has various industrial applications, particularly in the automotive industry and for jewelry. Platinum prices have historically been higher than gold, but they can also be more volatile. The investment demand for platinum has been influenced by factors such as industrial demand, supply constraints, and investor sentiment. So platinum is a good one, but it's also very volatile. So palladium is another precious metal commonly used in the automotive industry, primarily in catalytic converters. It has experienced a significant price increase over the past decade due to growing demand and limited supply. Palladium prices have occasionally surpassed those of gold and platinum. However, its price can be volatile and its investment suitability depends on individual risk tolerance and market conditions. And it says here, when considering these metals as investments, it's crucial to conduct thorough research analysis, analyze market trends, and understand the factors that impact their prices. Additionally, keep in mind that investing in individual commodities can be risky due to their price volatility. So they're all risky, but I think platinum is the least risky after these three. So what about silver? Is silver a good investment? Let's see what they say. The question of whether silver is a good investment depends on various factors and individual financial goals. So, industrial and investment demand. Silver has both industrial and investment demand. So, because it's demanded for but in the form of bullion, and it's demanded for industrial uses. So, it has high price volatility. Silver prices can be very volatile, which can present both opportunities and risks for investors. Yeah, that's true. It's very volatile. The price goes up and down a lot. The affordability and accessibility. Compared to gold and other precious metals, silver is relatively more affordable. This affordability makes it accessible to a broader range of investors who may have smaller budgets. It is available in various forms, including bars, coins, and exchange-traded products, making it relatively easy to buy and sell. So it did say that it's more affordable for more people because it's cheaper. It's like spot price is like £19 at the moment. anyone can buy an ounce of silver, basically. But so the potential for price appreciation. Silver has the potential for price appreciation over time, especially during periods of economic uncertainty and inflationary pressures. However, past performance is not an indication, not indicative of future results, and market dynamics can change. Industrial demand risks. While industrial demand for silver can contribute to its value, it also exposes it to the risk associated with specific industries. So, economic downturns or advancements in technology that have reduced the need for silver in certain applications could impact its demand and price. Market correlations. Silver's price movement can be influenced by factors beyond its own supply and demand dynamics. It can be influenced by trends in other financial markets, including currencies, interest rates, and equities. So I want to touch more thing. What industries use silver? Okay, so let's see what it says. So electronics, photovoltaics, photography, medical and healthcare, mirrors and reflective coatings, jewelry, silverware, batteries, water purification. Let's search for more. Give me more. Give me more. So let's see what else to say. Certainly. So it's used in the automotive industry. It's used as catalysts. It's used in aerospace and aviation, antibacterial and antimicrobial products, water treatment, nanotechnology, conductive inks and pastes, electrical power distribution. So it's got a lot of uses. I think it's got way more uses than gold, definitely. So silver and gold are definitely more of the better investment compared to the other three metals, rhodium, palladium, and platinum. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna wrap up that video now because it's getting quite long now. So let me know what you think about investing into rhodium, platinum, and palladium. Do you think it's a good investment, or do you think it's just too risky? Anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.